Hey, welcome to our website. I'm really glad that you're here and thank you for taking out the time. Are you a manufacturer or OEM struggling to source components from your existing vendors? Are you tired of following up with them repeatedly and not getting any response? My name is Sibi. I'm the partner and co-founder at CNV Engineering, Coimbatore City, India. We are on a mission to make global and domestic sourcing for our customers simplified. As per the Indian government's vision, we aim to make in India for the world. In line with this, we have an audited and comprehensive network of diversified vendors to cater to your every need. With competitive pricing, end-to-end supply chain management and on-time delivery, we've serviced a broad category of sectors ranging from aerospace, automotive, railways, just to name a few. We are an ISO 9001:2015 certified organization, serving our customers and delivering value to them since 2016. Me and my partners have a cumulative experience of 20 plus years in the manufacturing space on all aspects, ranging from QC, sales, marketing, product development, etc., just to name a few. So when we say we understand your pain points, we mean it. If you're a manufacturing company looking to develop and diversify your supply chains, we are your go-to destination on all things manufacturing. I request you to kindly check the other sections of the website to understand more on what we do. If you have an inquiry, please do share it with us in the inquiry form or book a call with our team. Thank you so much for your time.